Good evening, children. Children, in the last class, we are completed the first lesson. So, we have learned the lesson, question and answer, and we have completed the worksheet also. So, successfully we have completed first lesson. So, I hope you all understood the first lesson. So, today in this session, we are going to learn the social second lesson. Okay, children. So today in this class, we are going to learn social lesson number 2, keeping our body healthy. Understood, children? Yes. Now let us start the class. Yes. So in that first is introduction part. So what is the introduction? You just observe this picture clearly, then I will say, children. Okay. Yes. So see here. Our body is like a machine. It has many parts which work for us. Yes, this is true or not, children? Yes. So see here, this is our body. Yes or no, children? So this is our body. It's like a machine. So it helps us. It many parts which work for us. For example, see, children. Here we have two eyes. Okay. So with the help of the eyes, we can see, and we have our hands. So with the help of our hands, we can do some work, and with the help of our legs we can walk. So it is like our body, it's like a machine, and it has many parts which work for us. Next, see here, children. So we should keep our body healthy and clean. So how should we keep our body? We should always keep our body healthy and clean. Actually, we have to keep our body clean and healthy in this situation. Now what we are in the position. Yes. So look at this picture, children. What are these pictures? So here there are some vegetables and fruits and cereals and chicken and nuts, dals. Everything are here. So keep our body healthy. We need to take a good care of it and must have some good habits. Okay, so if we want to keep our body healthy, so we have to take some good food. So which are the good food? It may be the fruits and vegetables and milk products and cereals and chicken and fish and egg. So etc. Such kind of things, such good healthy food we should have. And here, see here, how should we keep our body fit? So in the previous one, we understood that we have to take some good food. So in the same way, only by taking the good food, we will not be keeping our body fit. So in the as one as we have to keep our body fit, means we have to do some exercise. So what kind of exercise we should do? So we should exercise to keep ourselves fit and healthy. So it may be yoga or a swimming or a playing. Not only this, even though we can walk or we can dance, this all the things we can do. So by using this all the exercise, yoga, swimming, playing and all, so then our body, it keep us fit and healthy. So in the same manner, some exercise that keep us healthy are walking, running, playing, swimming, yoga and dancing. So if we want to keep our body fit, we have to maintain this all those things. So which are the things? We have to walk, and we have to run, and we have to play, and we have to swim, and we have to do some yoga and dancing. So look at this picture, children. Here there is a yoga and swimming and playing. So we have to adopt this all the things, so our body it fit and healthy. Yes. So the next one, we should take a proper rest. We must have enough sleep. So I don't know whether you know or not. See, children, here our body need at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep every day. So how many hours we should sleep? We should sleep at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep every day. So more than that also you should not sleep. and less than that also we should not sleep. So we should sleep at least 8 to 10 hours every day. So when we'll come to the next point, what is the next point? The next point is cleanliness. So in this cleanliness, what are all the things you are going to learn? So how you are to wash your hands and how you are to maintain your body, everything we are going to learn in the cleanliness. So see that first one. We should oil our hair regularly and keep it tidy. So before that, we must keep our body clean in order to stay healthy and happy. Okay, so after that, we should have a bath every day with soap and water. Children, every day we should take a bath. So if you are not take a bath, you are not a healthy. So we should every day we should take a water, we should take a bath with soap and water. Then we should shampoo our hair regularly. We should wash our hair regularly, and also we should oil our hair regularly and keep it tidy. Next, we should brush our teeth twice a day. So, as per, I think you people are washing your teeth only once in a day. That is only in the morning. So, that is not a good habit. You should wash your brush. You should wash your teeth twice a day. So, see here, we should brush our teeth twice a day. So, once in the morning and once at night. So, before the breakfast means before the breakfast you have to brush your teeth, then once at night. So, after your dinner also you should brush your teeth. So, then your teeth will be neat. So, we should brushing in a circular motion. So, how we should brush our teeth? It is in a circular motion. See, like this. In a circular motion, we should brush our teeth. Next, teeth can get germs not kept clean. If you are not cleaning your teeth, if you are not brushing your teeth, so it may chances to get a germs, and if you are not kept clean. Understood, children? Yes. So why I am showing your nails picture? Because always we should cut our nail cleanly. We should keep it our nails cleanly. Yes. So we should keep our nails short and get them clipped regularly. So we should always keep our nails cleanly. Why? Because when we are eating food, when we are taking a food, the germs can enter through our nails to our stomach. So for that, always we should keep the nails short and we should clip them regularly. Understood, children? So see here, that second point. Long nails get dirty and germs in them. Okay, so always we should cut the nails. Next is here, children. We must always wash our hands before and after meals. So you may know this, but also some people you are not doing correctly, properly, children. So what is the thing? See, always we should wash our hand twice. One is a before and after the meal. So always we should wash our hand before and after the meals. So not only this, even though there are some points that we have to adopt in our daily life. So which are that? See, we must wash our hands with the soap and water. If the soap is not available at the time, so you can use the water to wash your hands regularly. We must wash our hands with the soap and the water. Understood, children? Yes, see that next one. Germs can enter our body through dirty hands and make us ill. So if we are not washing our hands properly, so then we are falling ill. So see that next third point. We should wash our hands before and after going to the toilet. So we should always wash our hand before and after going to the toilet. Understood? So some people, what you people will do after going to the toilet, you are not washing your hands. So you should not do like that. So then the germs can enter our hands easily. So for that we should wash our hands after going to the toilet. Then next, children, here I had given the some pictures. Look at this: toothpaste, nail clipper, anchor, not only this, and soap and water, etc. some things. So why I had given this picture? Because we use many things to keep our body clean. Not only this, we have to use some more extra things. So mainly now the sanitary mask, everything we have to use. So why? Because we have to be in a safer side, so we have to maintain these all things regularly to keep our body clean. Understood, children? So finally we are completed the second lesson. I hope you all understood the lesson. If you have any doubt, let me know in the next class. Thank you, children.